How's it going, everyone? Today I want to talk about how to create a safe lockout tagout program. The following steps will walk you through creating and completing a lockout tagout program the safest way possible. Step 1. Create detailed lockout procedures. Identify the equipment that needs to be locked out and its location, and in my opinion, you should take a picture to help the employee identify it as well. Determine the correct procedure for shutting the machine down and starting it back up, and put the procedure into a list format. Once again, I recommend including pictures of each step as well as the energy source such as electricity or pressurized air. Also address secondary energy sources such as heat, fumes, or tension, and hazards that may need to be moved or tied down. Be sure to include the device used to lock out the energy and the method used to verify it is locked out in this step. This procedure should also include how to bring the machine back online in the same step-by-step process and include exactly how each step should be performed in the safest way possible. Step 2. Make procedures easy to access. Use binders, document management systems, or lockout tagout specific platforms like those in BasicSafe to make these procedures readily available for employees and management. This reduces the friction related to completing the procedures and keeps everyone on the same page. My recommendation is to use a lockout tagout specific platform, as this is the most efficient and arguably most cost-effective way to manage the procedures. Step 3. Notify affected employees. When a procedure is going to be performed, all employees that may be affected must be notified. Post signs or in some way make sure employees are aware of the machine being locked down, how long it will be down for, and any processes that must be performed differently while the machine is locked down. Step 4. Follow the detailed procedure. The employees completing the procedure must understand it and be able to follow it exactly in order to prevent potential injuries or damage. As part of this step, the employee must also verify the lockout by attempting to start it or some other method. Once the step has been verified, they must attach a lockout or tagout device to the machine to be sure no one will attempt to start the machine while it is being worked on. Step 5. Train on the importance of respecting locked and tagged machinery. If you have not at this point, make sure that all employees understand that voiding a lock or a tag and attempting to start a machine could cause loss of life or limb to another employee. Step 6. Swap correctly during shift changes. If a shift change occurs while a machine is down, the individuals that are swapping personal lock or tag devices must both be present in order to make the switch. Notify any employees who are also part of the shift change who were not originally notified of the machine being down. It's a good idea to have a sign-off that employees trading shifts must both fill out in order to make the switch. Step 7. Bring equipment back online. After maintenance or the task being performed on the machine is complete, then the procedure must be followed exactly in order to bring the machine back online. Step 8. Review and audit procedures regularly. Keep procedures up to date and be sure that they reflect any changes to the machinery, the devices, or the methods that take place during the lockout tagout. This is a good time to see if there is any way the procedure can be improved. A lockout tagout specific platform, like the ones offered by BasicSafe, should save you a huge amount of time finding, updating, and managing procedures. Check ours out here. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys.